Dear students, last period we have seen the laws of exponents and example also related to the laws. Now today we see the exercise 13.2. This is our first question. Using laws of exponents, simplify and write the answer in exponential form. यहाँ पे सिंप्लीफाई करने के लिए हमें लॉज का इस्तेमाल करेंगे और जो आंसर होगा उस जो भी वैल्यू या जो आंसर आएगा वो एक एक्सपोनेंशियल फॉर्म में आएगा। उसके आगे हमें सॉल्व नहीं करना है, सिर्फ हमें एक्सपोनेंशियल फॉर्म तक के ही लाके उस प्रॉब्लम को रखना है। नाउ वी सी हियर द क्वेश्चन नंबर फर्स्ट वन हियर 3 square into 3 to the power 4 into 3 to the power 8 here. This is our problem students. We use here the law for these two. इन दोनों के लिए हम पहले लॉ यूज करेंगे और लॉ इज a power m into a power n is equals to a power m plus n. This is our law. Now we apply here. Means 3 to the power 2 plus 4 into 3 to the power 8. Then here sum is 2 plus 4 means 6 into 3 to the power 8. Here base is same student. यहाँ base same है, power different है. So we can use here. यहाँ पे हम यूज़ इसलिए कर सकते हैं क्योंकि यहाँ पे बेस सेम है, पावर डिफरेंट है. सो once again we use this formula here, we use this law here, means 3 to the power 6 plus 8 and 6 plus 8 means here is a 14. Now it is in exponential form. ये exponential में फॉर्म में आ चुका है. This is our answer students. Then the next is fifth here, 5 to the power 2 and bracket to the power 3 divided by 5 to the power 3. This is our question students. Now we use here the law. For this इसके लिए हम लॉ यूज करेंगे. A power m bracket to the power n is equals to a to the power m into n, because here only one base and two different powers here. Power to the power, यहाँ पे power का ही power है. So we can use this law. A power m bracket to the power n is equals to a power m into n. Then we get here 5 to the power 2 into 3 and here divided by 5 to the power 3. Here 3 2s are 6 divided by 5 to the power 3 here. Now here is base is same, powers are different and division sign in between. So we use here this law, a power m divided by a power n is equals to a to the power m minus n here, means 5 to the power 6 minus 3 and is equals to 5 to the power 3. This is our answer here. Then the next seventh here, a power 4 into b power 4 here. A and b they are bases, ये दोनों ही base है, but they are different here, but power is same here. So we use this law here, a power m into b power m is equals to a into b bracket to the power m. We use this law here. Then we get here a into b bracket to the power. This is our answer students. The next one is question number 9. 2 to the power 20 divided by 2 to the power 15 into 2 to the power 3 here. We use here the law. For this bracket के लिए हम law यूज करेंगे, a power m divided by a power n is equals to a power m minus n. Then we get here the 2 to the power 20 minus 15 into 2 to the power 3 here. Then we get here the 2 to the power 20 minus 15 means 5 into 2 to the power 3 here. Now we use here the law, this law, base is same, powers are different. So we use this law, a power m into a power n is equals to a power m plus n here, means 2 to the power 5 plus 3 and 2 to the power 8 here. This is our value, students. Now after that, our next question is means question number 2 here. Simplify and express each of the following in exponential form. यहाँ पे भी चीज़ें वही दी है कि इसको हमें सिंप्लीफाई करना है और एक्सपोनेंशियल फॉर्म में ही इसको लिखना है. So now we solve this question number 2 1. This is our question number 2. Simplify. First here 2 to the power 3 into 3 to the power 4 into 4 upon 3 into 32. This is our question, students. 2 to the power 3 into 3 to the power 4. Here 4 means, you know that, students, here 4 means 2 into 2 means 2 to the power 2. So we write here 2 to the power 2 here. Then 3 into, here is 32. So here 2 to the power 3 and 2 to the power 2. We write in a bracket 2 to the power 3 into 2 to the power 2 into 3 to the power 4 here. Here is 3 into 32 means, students, we know that 32 means 16 into 2. Then here we use the law here, your base is same, so we add here the power, means 3 plus 2 here, 3 to the power 4, here is 3. Then 16 means here, students, 16 means 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 2 into 2 4, 4 into 2 8, 8 into 2 16, means 2 to the power 4. So for a 16 we write here 2 to the power 4 and into 2. Then here 2 to the power 3 plus 2 means 5, 3 to the power 4, 3 into, here 4 plus 1 means 5 to the power 5. Here is 2 to the power 5, 2 to the power 5, they are same, so ये कट जाएंगे हमारे लिए. So we get here the 3 power 4 upon 3. We use here the law, students. A power m divided by a power n is equals to a power m minus n. So then here is 3 to the power 4 minus 1 means 3 to the power 3 here. This is our final answer, students. Then we take one more here. Question number 3 here is 25 to the power 4 divided by 5 to the power 3. We know that here, students, 25 means 5 into 5 and 5 into 5 means 5 to the power 2. So we write for here for a 25 की जगह हम लिखेंगे 5 to the power 2 and bracket to the power 4. So we use here the law, 5 to the power 5 is a base and 2 powers here. So we multiply these 2 powers, means 2 into 4 divided by 5 to the power 3. Then we get here 2 4s are 8 divided by 5 to the power 3. Now we use here the law, because base is same and the powers are different, so we subtract these 2 powers, means 8 and 3, 8 minus 3, and 5 to the power 8 minus 3 means 5. So this is our final answer, students.